Saudi Film Nights. How's the film? First of all, what do you want to say about it?
It was very, very interesting, in fact. I found it very natural.
Okay.
Um, it was interesting. I came in the second half, so I unfortunately couldn't see the half full crew. But the acting was quite interesting.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the main difference between a Saudi film and Bollywood film?
Well, of course, the environments were very different. Um, See, I don't think I can give you a reference from watching only one film to tell you what's the difference between two industries. I would need more inputs for sure.
What is the interesting part you see in the movie? Anything you want to share?
In this film,
Yeah.
it was quite interesting that this is the first time I watched an Arabic film, and it was not how I was expecting it. It was different.
So Saudi Film Nights, it's they promoting in the Mumbai and any countries in India. So where do you see after 5 years Saudi Film Nights? After 5 years?
I wished him the best, and I wish them to be everywhere, like all over India, all over the world. I wish them well.
So any congratulations wishes for them?
Yes, of course. Heartily congratulations for your future endeavors.
So any dhamaka from your side in Bollywood industry? Any upcoming? Any upcoming? Nothing. Okay, lastly, you wanna say something for your lovely audience?
Sorry?
You wanna say something for your lovely audience?
Um, I wish you well. I wish you a fantastic 2025. And I think that you all are already feeling this year, the energy of this year is very different for everybody. And I wish everybody a lot of success and happiness.
Thank you.
It's a real pleasure and honor that the Saudi Film Commission is here, and we are collaborating with them. We as in Dome Entertainment, Mohammad Morani, Mazhar Nadiadwala, Alim Morani, who has very gracefully put this all together. I'm really, really proud of him and us at Dome. And so the Saudi Film Commission, this is their first step to come into India and cross cultures with us. They want to see what filmmaking is like over here. They've brought their films, their award-winning films for us to watch. So we've had a great 2 days in Mumbai of watching their films. We've seen some short films and feature films, and they're really different. I think all our filmmakers are pretty intrigued to see their kind of thought process and their filming. So it's very different from ours. There's no song and dance like the Bollywood movies, but they all have a message, and I think that's great. So we've been watching that. We've had two housefuls, with their screenings yesterday and today. We are also taking them to Delhi for this festival, which is on the 3rd of Feb, and then to Hyderabad, which is on the 5th of Feb. And I'm sure we'll be received as warmly over there. And we're looking forward to do a lot of work, a lot of films with the Saudi film industry and cross borders and work together and make great films for our audiences worldwide. Thank you.
First time I'm watching a movie made in Saudi, and well, it was interesting to watch it. Although I feel, since we belong to different cultures, our approaches were different. Definitely, it was about human emotions, just as our films, my films are. And I feel, yes, it'd be interesting to collaborate. As I heard from this team here, the Dome team, that they're wanting to actually collaborate with India and do cinema. That should make things very interesting.
Seriously बताऊं, it was amazing experience. It was the first time, पहली बार था, but it was very good. For me it was a little different, but it was amazing experience. अच्छी story थी, storyline was good, and end of the day it was all about emotions. चाहे वो दुबई में हो, अरेबिया, Saudi Arabia Film Festival हो, या in Bollywood हो, anyway it's all about emotions. So I just loved it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I really enjoyed it. It was like for my surprise because initially जब मैंने देखना शुरू किया I thought I don't know it might be थोड़ा boring type होगा but when वो pill का जो वो शुरू हुआ ना you take the pill and then go back and you मतलब delete everything so that was very intriguing idea and दूसरा है ये कि अपना I mean it's very different and another thing is this कि हम लोग ना जब भी पीछे अपने पास्ट में देखते हैं तो we think that ये गलत किया मैंने ये थोड़ा ऐसा हो सकता था वैसा हो सकता था so I think from this film you can learn actually you should be okay with your defaults. You should be okay with whatever mistakes you have made and just move on.
You can which film you like the most and which part you only like?
This slave है how I think it's like और आज का तो time ये बहुत मतलब depict करता है कि how we have become slave of this social media and likes के लोग क्या करते हैं.
Yeah, the movie was great. I definitely saw underlying narratives. Of course, I come from the world of music and creative music. I come from New York City, so it's a different perspective. But I thought that just the way the culture is evolving was extremely endearing for me to see. And the movie, of course, we all had the question about what was the pill about. I was almost thinking of it like from a Matrix point of view, the famous movie Matrix with the red pill and the green pill. But I really enjoyed the movie. I think that, it's great that they're doing this here. And we're just getting a peek into this wonderful culture that they have. And it was very enjoyable.
Which music do you like in the industry?
Which music did I like? Well, the background score was when the singer, he started to sing in Arabic. And especially Arabic music has a system which is similar to Indian music. They have a system called maqam. And that was really, really, really cool. And you could just feel the intensity the director brought out in the special relationships he was showing through, the father and son narrative, or when the protagonist hangs himself, and there was like a powerful moment. So I felt that the music was really effective, especially with the person singing. Yeah, good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Enjoy the Saudi film.
आई थॉट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म थी. सोशल मीडिया के बारे में, अपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करने के बारे में. आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी द वे दे वेंट अबाउट टेलिंग दैट स्टोरी. एंड काइंड ऑफ द मेन मैसेज ऑफ द मूवी वाज ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू डू व्हाट यू लव, नॉट रियली केयर अबाउट व्हाट द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड विल से, बिकॉज लोग तो बोलेंगे ही, उनका काम ही है वो करना. But you got to do what you want to do, and I think I loved it. I loved the way they portrayed the entire concept, and it also goes to show, don't really delve too much into the past. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, जो हुआ है वो हो गया है. Learn from it, become better, and I think move into the future.
And which part do you much like?
I thought the message about, like I said, being able to do what you love and not really caring about anything, it resonates very much with me. क्योंकि 21 साल पहले being a nice good Maharashtrian boy engineering किया मैंने भी, but ultimately I went on to follow my dreams. I've been working in the entertainment industry for over 2 decades, singing, doing a talk show, doing WWE commentary, all the things that I have loved, I've been able to do it. And I think that's the message that the movie was also saying, that if you really love something, you've got to follow your passion, you've got to follow your heart and go ahead and do it.
Thank you.
First of all, see, this is the first time this kind of thing is happening in India. That is Saudi Film Night, right? The thing is, film was good. Film was something different. There's some language barrier, so yeah, of course, for the subtitle, we understood the film. This type of things should happen every time because the collaboration is very important. हमें सबसे ज़्यादा जैसे कि इंडो ऑस्ट्रेलिया फिल्म्स आई है, तो वैसे इंडो सऊदी फिल्म भी होनी चाहिए. और कुछ स्टोरीज़ उनकी बहुत ही डिफरेंट है, वैसे हमें जाकर वहाँ पे शूट करना चाहिए, उनको यहाँ पे आकर शूट करना चाहिए. दिस इज़ समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर बोथ द इंडस्ट्रीज, इवन बॉलीवुड एंड साउदी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
So it's a beautiful evening today, and the Saudi Film Night is happening in Mumbai. It's a wonderful opportunity for all of us to come here and meet each other, जिन्हें बहुत टाइम से मिले नहीं होते हैं. And इस तरह की बाहर की फ़िल्म की जो इंडस्ट्री है, हमारी मुंबई की फ़िल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ में जब मर्जअप होता है, लोगों का मिलना होता है, वहाँ का सिनेमा हम देखते हैं, वो लोग हमारे यहाँ आकर देखते हैं. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट, और ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे लगता है कि बहुत होनी चाहिए. इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि सारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्रियाँ एक साथ होकर के ग्रो करें और एक सिंक में रहें.
I saw this film called Slave, and that's a wonderful film. It's about a pill and about a local life from Saudi Arabia, and I think it's a wonderful initiative. और ये जो सऊदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ मिलके काम कर रही है, तो ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग बात है, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया में आर्टिस्ट जो हैं सिर्फ पीस फैलाने का काम करते हैं, और उसके अलावा फिल्में जो हैं वो समाज का सच दिखाती हैं। तो इस वजह से अच्छी फिल्में बनती रहनी चाहिए, और ये कोलैबोरेशन जो इंडियन फिल्मों के साथ में सऊदी का हुआ है, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया से लोग जो है सऊदी अरब जाना चाहते हैं। तो वहाँ की फिल्मों में देख के ये होता आया है बहुत सालों से कि हम सब फिल्में देख के और फिल्मों से सीखते हैं, जानते हैं, और फिर इसी तरह अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के बारे में हमें पता चलता है जब वहाँ की हम लोकल फिल्में या ड्रामे देखते हैं। तो इस तरह से मुझे लगता है कि अगर हम सऊदी की फिल्में देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि वहाँ पे कैसे लोग रहन सहन उनका कैसा है, कैसे वहाँ जाने के लिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमें पता हो कि वहाँ के लोग कैसे हैं। जब भी यहाँ से या फिर दुनिया में कहीं से भी लोग वहाँ जाएँ तो वो पहले से कंफर्टेबल हों, So it's a wonderful thing that film industry has started in Saudi Arabia. So my best wishes with every industry basically, but definitely with Saudi Arabia. So it's a great thing. Yeah. Thank you.
Wrapping up today. Feels amazing to be part of this event because we have worked very closely with Cinewaves Films and the Saudi Film Commission, and we have put together this entire event to promote cultural exchange both between our countries and between Saudi. The films that we saw today were very amazing, even the ones that we saw yesterday. Very interesting. It shows us Saudi Arabia in a new perspective, and I feel like there's a lot of collaboration opportunities between India and Saudi, and we look forward to making this happen in general. Promoting their talent, bringing our movies and shooting it there, and vice versa. I feel like that's something that is a very interesting opportunity for everyone involved.
See, as I was telling them that आज से 3 साल पहले मुझसे पूछते, I've taken a long break as a lot of people know that I got married. So तब मैं यहाँ पे सऊदी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में एज एन एक्टर लीज़ा मलिक या एज अ पॉप स्टार लीज़ा मलिक आती, तो मेरा वो देखने का तरीका या वो दृश्य देखने का पूरा नज़रिया अलग होता. बट आज यहाँ पे मैं एज अ प्रोड्यूसर लीज़ा मलिक आई हूँ, जो कि फ़िल्म एज अ ऑडियंस देखने नहीं आई थी, फिल्म एज अ मेकर देखने आए थे. तो हर एक डिटेल, हर एक नुआंसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए फ्रेम में किस तरह से लगा है, किस तरह से उनका स्क्रीन प्ले है, बिकॉज़ मेरे लिए भी एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है. मेरे सऊदी से दुबई से बहुत फ्रेंड्स हैं और वो दे आर ऑल हार्ट एंड नो ब्रेन्स. सो लैंग्वेज ऑफ लव तो मुझे उनका पता है. ऑफ कोर्स वो रियल लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ आता है, बट सबटाइटल डज द जॉब. But today I'm so proud and I'm so happy to be part of something जो शायद नॉर्मली नहीं हो पाता है, बिकॉज़ ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए आपको सऊदी जाना पड़ेगा या दुबई जाना पड़ेगा. इंडिया में बहुत कम होता है. एंड आई कंग्रेचुलेट द एंटायर मुरानी फैमिली, मोहम्मद भाई, लकी आपा, आलिम अजीम. They are doing a wonderful job to bring cultures together. So for us movie makers, it is a learning experience. बिना फीस दिए हम लोग सीख रहे हैं.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You watched the Saudi, how you liked it and which part you liked?
Yeah, so it was very surprising that even though I don't understand the language, but the expressions spoke a lot. And there were times that I didn't really need to even read the subtitles and I could actually understand really what's going on. And so I think everybody has their own interpretation to this movie, The Slave. Of course, the director has been thinking very at different levels. It's got multiple interpretations, but my takeaway from the film is that what that guy is doing for social media to get that kind of attention and the likes and all that, and what extent he can go to, that's very disturbing and alarming, and it's like a wake up alarm for all of us that don't get so carried away by social media. Secondly, the thing about the pill, it reminded me a little bit about the butterfly effect, where you can actually go back in time and change the wrong things that you did and come back and correct it and all of that, and you can keep that loop on. So maybe here the message is that when you actually take a decision about something, think about it twice, live that decision for a while, and think if it's going to be fruitful for you and if it's going to be fine or not, and then take that decision. So that pill is basically the decision. It's something which is your choice, the free will that we are gifted with. That was my takeaway. But big congratulations to the Saudi Arabian, the Film Commission and Saudi Arabian Film Nights and Dome Entertainment especially for making this happen, and to the entire team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a really wonderful experience watching the film, and it's got exposure. We've got exposure to, different culture, and I think it's great. And collaboration between India and Saudi Arabia, I think, would be fantastic because both sides will learn a lot about each other, and it'll make films created in a different light. And it's a great learning experience, and I think it's a wonderful experience not only for me because this is the first time I've seen a Saudi film, and I think most of the people out here also would have seen it for the first time. And I think this is a great occasion, and we should have many more of these. Thank you. Thank you.
Please share your one moment which you like most about the film, one part that.
Oh yes, it's the father and son relationship that is so deep, and it's father and son relationships in all cultures is deep, and we've got to see this side in the Saudi film. And the thing about the little pill was very intriguing because it makes you think as to what would you have done, if you were in a situation like that. I'm not sure what I would have done, but it's interesting as to how it was portrayed in the film. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.